The Infinix Note 200 Ultra 5G sets a new benchmark for performance and multimedia in its class, combining top-tier hardware with standout features that rival even more expensive flagship phones. It sports a stunning 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, delivering ultra-smooth motion and vibrant colors that make gaming, streaming, and everyday use a joy. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, paired with an enormous 32GB of RAM and up to 2TB of storage, ensuring blazing fast performance and virtually limitless space for apps, media, and files. Photography reaches new heights with a 400MP main camera, designed to capture incredible detail in every shot, while the massive 8,500 mAh battery keeps the phone going all day and beyond. When it's time to recharge, 120W fast charging brings the battery back up in no time, making the Infinix Note 200 Ultra 5G a compelling choice for power users who want flagship-level specs and performance in a single device.